This is what it's for!
How can you paddle when you're in a wave? Yeah, you want to paddle in the wave.
You paddle!
But I can't do that.
Why not?
Yeah.
Why not, Bugsy?
You know,
And why do we always call you Bugsy anyway? What did Bugsy come from? Why do I call you Bugsy?
you're in the air, right? The wave is way down there.
Why do I call you Bugsy again?
You have to time it right.
I forget. Bugsy?
I just took it up because it was... Yeah.
Bugsy, you're... Bugsy. Bugsy. Bugsy.
Okay, paddle.
Bugsy, why do we call you Bugsy again?
I can't talk and do this at the same time.
Why not?
Oh my God.
This should be easy for you.
Lily dipping.
I'm Willy dipping wagga wagga. I'm trying. And this is easy-ish. It's gonna be easy-ish. Let's go! Hey! Spray water on them! Nah. Oh boy! Yay!
Oh my God.
I love this! I love this place! I got a little scared!
He wants to cuddle.
I'm a cuddle guy! That's a big dip!
Alright, let's go forward paddle.
No! 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 Big dip! Oh my God! I love this! Yay! Spray water!
We are too big here.
Hey, relax. Okay, relax. Alright, so we're just kind of going to go through here real fast.
Okay, we get to cruise, alright. This is so much fun!
Okay, so now he's dropping down stuff, so just pay attention to that.
Yeah.
And Bugsy, why were you scared that I was coming your way? Did you think I was...
coming my way.
Did you think I was going... I know, but what's scary about that?
In the middle helps him not to fall out.
Yeah, but what's scary about me coming your way?
Yeah. So you have to lean towards the
Did
middle.
you think I was gonna...
Yeah, just
Oh, you thought I was gonna fall on you?
Yeah.
We're gonna...
If you fly into her,
We're gonna fall backwards this
Oh,
time.
watch out, something's coming up. And we're going on it backwards. No.
No, no.
Yeah, they're not bad. They're just a tiny little wake.
Alright, so I'm going to start from the very front, come to the back. I just got to check your vest.
This is so much fun.
Oh, he's checking our road shit. We're in trouble now.
Now we get to the front. We just got to make sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Give me water. No, 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 no. I was thirsty.
You want to check yours, bud?
Yeah, aye.
Too
Yeah.
loose.
Yep.
What do you want from me?
Where's your money,
We
bud?
want you to be safe. That's what
Where's my money? Where's my money?
Your guide's somewhere else.
Where's my money? I don't know, but I can get you on Wheel of Fortune for like $5. Wheel of Fortune.
Okay.
Smile!
Yay!
Yeah, the bottom part won't go over the top part.
I see a big dip. I see a dip.
Let him off!
Hey! Now it's my job to spray people. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna get plenty wet.
Hey. Okay. Yeah.
know what you just done. You don't know what you just done.
Can I spray you? Because that would be fun.
How long have you been doing this?
No.
5 years. 5 years ago, I watched this YouTube video. It was about 15 minutes.
I see a dip,
Decide that's what you want to do.
and it looks kind of ish big.
That's cool.
No, that was the training.
Oh. 15 minutes, yeah. Good answer.
Let's go.
Oh my
We're going to try to get stuck on this rock right here.
Wait, we're supposed to?
Okay, alright.
I see a dip.
Oh,
I don't know if that's big or small, but that's a dip.
keep going, keep going.
What, you aren't gonna do nothing?
Yeah, we're taking a quick moment. They got to go through, and then we're going to go through.
Man, I'm amazed at how many people are going down this river.
Is it this way every week?
I've been down the road river before.
How late do you go into the fall?
Man, I didn't know we were still using that.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Hey, when you get wet enough. Hey, kid, I'm going to knock you out with my paddle. Bam! Bam! Bam!
Bam!
Okay, that's your warning. Yeah, you're going in the next time, all right?
Alright, let's
Try me.
paddle.
I'll paddle.
I'm not participating.
I'm not participating. Back paddle! No.
Okay, relax. So our first class
Oh,
race
that's
today,
a dip.
grinder. These grinders fun. Starts off a little slow, then it just gets crazy out of nowhere.
Dude, we'll go over the best parts of it.
Crazy out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere. It's class day, so if you do fall out, you get too far away from the boat, you guys will have a little bit of a rough ride.
If you fall out,
If you
okay,
fall out.
so
I
don't
don't
fall out.
really,
Best thing you can possibly do is hang on to the boat. If you hang on to the boat, we can get you in the boat faster.
Hang on the boat.
Yeah.
That's where the cord is.
So it goes slow, but then it gets crazy.
All right, if I fall out, everybody has to laugh hysterically as loud as you possibly can, okay? Don't give me no sympathy. Road right there, isn't it?
Well, I'll probably laugh.
And
Yes.
So you won't have any.
Get a good laugh at my expense.
I'm just following instructions.
You ain't right.
also, if I drown, the song that I want to be played during my funeral is Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer. Because it'd be funny.
See, that's what you gotta do. That's an old road right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Move like a snail.
I'm dead serious. If I drown, I want the song My Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer to play.
Yeah, somebody else's time on.
I'm not trying to have that. Alright, let's go forward, paddle.
He's a
Now we leave.
bad time to say this, but wall.
You're lily dipping.
You know, I don't look. And I'm starting. Oh.
Alright, and relax.
Okay, guys, this is a bad time to say this, but
So this is the perfect time, locking your feet nice and tight, getting stuck under there. You always say, get your leg into there, and you ain't coming out.
this is a bad time to remember this, but I have to pee. And boom goes the dynamite.
Oh, I like the baby one.
Alright, let's go forward.
1, 2. This is a bad. This is a really bad time for me to have to pee.
Don't think about flash floods or
Don't think about